You've heard about social media on Web3. You've heard about the ability to monetize your content on the blockchain. But is it a place for you and a destination for your content? Come to think of it, just who is Web3 for anyway? Hello, my name is Jennifer Navarrete. I'm a 16-plus year podcaster, content creator, social media strategist, virtual event producer, and community builder. And for the last 14 months, I've been actively creating content on Web3. And in that time, I've discovered that Web3 is for creators like you and me. Still not convinced? Well, what if I told you that the exact same content you're creating right now on sites like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch is the exact same types of content you can create on Web3? Interested in learning more? Join me on June 10th to discover how you can become a Web3 content creator.